If you can hear, I'd like to publicly acknowledge the FRCS team. Because this is one of the first times that actually I had a very easy run with FRCS. Normally they fight with me all the time when I want to sort of reduce duty rates and do all sorts of nice things for the businesses. But I'd like to thank them for that. I also want to acknowledge Shalini Kumar, who knows all the tariff codes back to front. And she worked very hard with us in respect of, like I said, having a nuanced approach to all the tariff structures, establishing new line items within the tariff codes themselves. It's quite a significant exercise, about 1,600 items. And of course, at the same time, we've had to still protect some of the local industries. There is, for example, a manufacturing outfit in Vanuatu called Pinto Industries. They make mops. They make handles for buses, etc. So we have given those kind of entities some continued protection because they employ a lot of people. In the same way, for example, whether it's canning fish, whether it's PEFCO, etc. But at the same time, now the duty on salmon and other fish that we don't actually can in Fiji has been reduced significantly. So those are the things that we've done. I want to acknowledge them, and also, of course, Fazrul in the policy side, the other members of the team, and also Shiri. Because we had a fantastic collaborative effort in particular this time, and everybody realized the significance of what we are doing vis-a-vis the pandemic. And I'd also like to thank those of you who made submissions. We received a number of submissions from members of the public, various NGOs, individuals, of course, former politicians, would-be politicians. A lot of people had actually put in their submissions. And so I'd like to acknowledge all of them for that, but in particular the technical team who helped us. Thank you.
Thank you, Aiyaz. Before we break for